Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my bullet journal spread for March, what I have included in it, and how I decorate it. So let's begin. So here is my bullet journal. I actually decorated it with gift wrapping paper, so now it looks so much better than it did before. Here is the first page of my spread. It includes a circle surrounded by flowers, which I'm going to cut out later to create a Dutch door. I'm using the gray fine liner to outline the flowers, and I will be using gold metallic paint to decorate them later on. Here I'm cutting out the floral Dutch door. It was a real struggle to do, but luckily I can speed this part up in the video. Next page is my monthly calendar. It is 4x4 dots wide, and I do it not only to see the dates for March, but also to write the codes in squares. Here you can see me writing the codes below the calendar. By that I mean that, for example, if W stands for work, then I will put W on dates when I know I will be working. I find this method to be very visually appealing and actually quite useful. Next page is dedicated to the first week of the month. And here I have added some dimensions to help you to copy the spread onto your bullet journal. I will be using the watercolor brush tip pens to decorate the spread. I chose the color green for decoration to highlight the fact that nature is about to wake up from the long and tiring winter. And here you can see me writing some plans for the week. Next page is for the 10,000 steps a day, and the page next to it is for the books I'm going to read. I am making a small calendar to track the days in which I walk 10,000 steps. It has been quite difficult to stay active due to the current situation in the world. Therefore, taking simple walks can be very beneficial for your body. And here I'm adding the list of how many calories I will burn per week. Next page is actually the most exciting to me. This page is dedicated to the books that I'm planning to read in March, but also in 2021 in general. I am decorating the page with plants and bookshelves. And here are some books that I'm planning to read in March/April. First one is a book about Andrew Carnegie. It is his biography. The second is an exhibition catalog of the Stedelijk Museum in Amsterdam. Then a book that I'm struggling to finish, namely Sapiens by Yuval Harari, and a book about cinema by Jean Cocteau. Now let's begin with decoration. I'm using the same markers as in previous steps, and I'm including as much color and elements of nature as possible. Here I'm using metallic watercolor to add some details. It truly looks incredible on paper, unfortunately camera does not really show it. I'm adding a little tape to decorate the monthly spread. And here I have decided to add a quote because I think that it is a lovely way to decorate your journal or any other notebook that you might have. And in the last moment, I have decided to add 2 more pages. One is for the art ideas and the other for things that I'm grateful for. Because it is very important to keep your ideas and inspiration in place so you can go back to it when you are ready to create. And it is also very important to practice gratitude. I found this beautiful floral design on Pinterest and I immediately wanted to recreate it in my journal. I think it turned out to be very beautiful, and I think that Pinterest is a very great place to go to if you want some inspiration for your room decor, for bullet journal spread or whatnot. So yes, I'm very happy with this little spread. And here is the final result. I am quite happy with how it has turned out, and I cannot wait to fill it in March and maybe add even more pages as I go. Comment below if you also have a bullet journal and tell me what you would like to see in my next videos. And I will see you very soon. Bye bye!